Hey, welcome back to NK Fertility Solutions. We will talk about everything pregnancy, fertility, and holistic living. Today, we're going to be talking about something that couples silently face, or even women, like it's more on women. They silently face it. Trying to conceive, you're beginning to feel emotionally, physically, financially, and hormonally burnt out. That's fertility fatigue you're feeling right there. So today, I'm going to go over 9 signs that specifically tells you that, girl, you are dealing with fertility fatigue, like you're trying too hard. If you've been on this journey for years, months, you agree with me that it's not that easy. Sometimes it's not that simple. Some of the videos you've watched, you practice them, it looks as if it's not working. And these things, they compound and tell in your body. So today, let's go over that sign. Probably, if any of these signs resonate with you, I'm going to tell you how to handle this whole journey so that you don't feel this fertility fatigue. Because when you are when you're fagged out due to fertility, it really impacts this whole success that you are trying to achieve, which is to carry your bundle of joy. So let's dive right into it without wasting your time. Number 1 is feel emotionally drained. You cry easily, you're anxious all the time, you feel like your emotions are on a constant roller coaster, trying month after month or even years after years without results can take a toll on your mental health. So here is your tip. How can you handle it? Give yourself the permission to pause. Yes, take a cycle off, like do other things, engage in other things apart from trying to conceive. Do you understand? Like, do every other thing in your home apart from trying to get pregnant. That will release you, freshen you up, give you new thoughts, give you new mindset reset, and your mind can come to a place of balance, not constantly filled, consumed with this thought of trying to get pregnant. It can mentally disturb you, impact your sleep, and so on. Next is when this baby making journey feels like a chore. Like, it's now beginning to feel like you have a full-time job on your hand. When intimacy becomes scheduled, stressful, and mechanical, is a sign that, girl, you and your partner, you are burned out. You're dealing with fertility fatigue. You are no longer connecting with your partner. You are just focused on ovulation and sperm. Are you ovulating? Have you seen the cervical mucus? No. So here is how you can actually handle this. Reconnect intimately once again without pressure. Make time to talk things over with your partner and see if he or she is feeling the same way. Then you people can, take it easy. Stop the scheduling. Stop we're having this intimacy just for the purpose of trying to get pregnant. It's not awesome like that. Thirdly is when you feel obsessed over every symptom. Spend hours goggling over every cramp, discharge, or symptom. You test too early and too often. That's the sign that you're really obsessed. And this fertility fatigue is taking a toll on you. Here is this constant checking you're always doing. It actually increases your stress level, which actually affects your fertility. So learn to trust the process, trust the body, trust your body. Test at the right time. Like, wait until you miss your period before you test, okay? Wait until you see all the cervical mucus discharge before you now do what? Say, okay, looks like I have ovulated. The fourth sign that you're dealing with fertility fatigue is that you're constantly comparing yourself with others. Every pregnancy announcement on social media, be it Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, it feels like a dagger to your heart. You feel left out. You're asking, God, when? Look at everybody popping out babies, but not you. Why is everybody getting pregnant, but not you and your partner? Here is how to manage this. It's okay to take a break from social media. Yes, you can take a break from social media because you want to protect your peace. At this phase of your life where you are, emotionally and mentally, you can handle certain pressures that come from social media. So it's really okay if you take a break. Number 5 sign is your relationship with your partner is strained. Trying to conceive is supposed to bring you closer, but lately you argue more. You start to have insomnia, headaches, body pains. irregular periods, digestive issues, skin issues, anxiety and depression. These are physical signs of really you are stressed out. Your body is stressed out. There are ways that your body is trying to talk to you to take it easy. Slow down, slow down. This is how to manage it. Listen to it. You can do deep breathing, meditation, exercise, even herbal support to help you. Finally, is you have lost hope. Your mind is now filled constantly with questions like, is this possible? God has forgotten me. He really doesn't answer prayers. I think I'm the worst sinner on earth. You are no more feeling happy for people who get pregnant or have their babies. Feel like it's never going to happen for you. Feel broken, forgotten, or even punished. Okay? That's not an awesome mentality. You need to make a switch. Don't give up. Don't take a break if needed, but remember, miracles happen every day, and your story will not be different. It will end an awesome praise for you. You might even see yourself getting pregnant with twins, triplets, naturally. Yes, it's possible. Trying to conceive might be one of the hardest roads a woman will walk through, but it's not impossible. You can still have your breakthrough. If 2 or 3 or 4 symptoms resonate with you, my dear, it's time for you to take a break, because these signals your body is giving you, don't joke with it. Take a break. Pause for a while, okay? So many people take a break. In that moment of taking a break, that's when they get pregnant, telling you that the anxiousness, the sleepless nights, the digestive issue, all the social media comparison, they're not the answer, okay? So take it easy on yourself. Of the signs hit home for you. Let's talk. This is a very supportive zone. Let me know in the comment section. He wish above all things that you and I prosper and be in good health, even as we're so prosperous. Thank you for tuning in today. NK Fertility Solutions, it's here to help.